Coordinate tracking. In this tutorial video, you will learn to track coordinates. When we click on the coordinate tracking option from the Tools menu on the left menu, the location of the user is displayed on the map page in the panel that appears. If the location accuracy is not too low, the user location will be automatically saved. The current location information and the collected coordinates are listed on the Coordinates page in the panel. In addition, in this panel, we can collect coordinates manually besides automatically collecting coordinates. The elevation profile is displayed on the Analysis page in the panel. Followed path can be downloaded as GPX file. When we click the Show Points button, the collected points are shown on the map. When we click the Show Line button, we can see the line on the map where the coordinates are collected. In addition, this page includes information such as the starting time, the number of points collected, the total length of the road, the lowest point, the highest point, and the end time. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.